Hi guys, today we're going to unbox and review this new monitor lineup from SpecterPro, which is the 29200 UW, and based on the box it's IPS and boasts its 200Hz refresh rate. This one is of the many new monitor lineups released by SpecterPro. Now this monitor, as you can see on the box, is an ultra-wide monitor. So join me and let's unbox this monitor. Okay, now it's out of the box. First impression on this product, it looks simple yet elegant with the ultra-wide screen. It definitely caught my attention first time I saw it during the Grand Lason event held by Zion Studios PH last October. This monitor looks great in this powder metal texture finish, simple presentation, and a 5-axis rocker at the back, and a mirror-like back design with a backlit logo, so that's a nice touch rather than getting RGB. Now this monitor offers up to 200Hz of refresh rate, 21:9 aspect ratio, 178-degree IPS grade viewing angle, and does have adaptive sync feature. And for the inputs, we have the DC power supply port, 3 HDMI ports, and 1 display port. Now setting up the monitor, make sure you are using the DPI cable that comes in the box instead of HDMI cable, otherwise 200Hz won't appear in the settings. After double checking, right click or open the NVIDIA control panel, navigate to the change resolution panel, then change the refresh rate, just like so. Now let's move forward to some of the monitor's new features. Now this one is called the Game Sight, and this one's called the Game Plus Timer, and other settings you can look up in the manual. Moving on with the display and color sample. Game test, and we're gonna play Valorant. Very smooth gameplay. I can see the difference between my old monitor and this monitor. This is definitely a good buy if you're playing FPS. You're gonna make use of that 200Hz of refresh rate. About the pricing of this product, guys, you can get this monitor for 10,000 pesos via Shopee or Lazada, link down below, or you can buy it through EasyPC physical stores. Make sure you keep an eye on their upcoming sales and promotions. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this.